If Giggio was taken away, I think the business would probably fall apart a bit. My name's Chris Harding and I'm a magician. I work at corporate events, weddings, private parties, and I've also been awarded Magic Circle Close-Up Magician of the Year. Before Giggio, I used to use pen and paper, a diary. I'd print out contracts and send them to clients with stamped addressed envelopes, and then they'd send it back, and I'd drive into the town and put the checks in the bank and all that kind of running around stuff, which makes an admin very, very tedious. I probably used to spend more on postage then than what it costs me on Giggio now. I use Giggio for all of the admin in my business. It handles the initial inquiries that come in, through to generating contracts, managing the payments, following up with thank you emails and reminders for other events, and updating my diary all the time so I know where I'm going to be. The first reaction when I started using Giggio was it was very, very easy to use, and I think it's very clear that it's been designed by an entertainer for entertainers, because it's very easy to navigate around. It does all the things that you want and need it to, but you can do it in a very, very quick way. The great thing about Giggio is you can use it anywhere. I've done contracts and agreements when I've been on the train, on a plane, or by the pool on holiday, and now with the app, I literally do it on the school run sometimes when I'm walking my kids down to the school gate. I can be doing a professional contract whilst I'm wandering down, because it's like having a PA in your pocket basically.